Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just need to show you my container plants, begonia specifically. So the middle plant there is a euonymus microphilia variegata. I got that maybe a month or two ago and it's grown quite well in the pots. So the begonias, as you can see at the bottom there, they've done really well from the time that I planted them. I got 16 begonias for £1.50, believe it or not. So that was a super bargain. So as you can see, the begonias, you've got two versions there. You've got the pink bloom version and then you've got a really deep red version. So I actually chose the begonia plants because I thought that color there would set off really nicely against the variegated leaves in the pot. So I really quite enjoy those blooms at the moment. And what I would say is I had begonia plants last year or the year before where I put them in the ground and they never went this big. For some reason they were being eaten by something in the ground, but in pots they absolutely look fantastic. I think this third pot that I'm showing you now, I think is the best one in terms of just the whole visual on it and the size of the plants. So with this pot, I would say in terms of the direction and the sun, it probably gets the most sun out of all the four pots. And you can see very well, even the variegated leaves, they're a lot more got a sort of chartreuse color. So yeah, really love this one. And that one has got pink blooms. All the blooms here, as you can see, are quite pink. The bees absolutely love these begonia blooms at the moment as well. Right, so I'll show you the last pot that I've got now. So that pot is tucked away in the corner, but it's still doing really well. That one's got the pink blooms and the red blooms as well. So again, it's done really well. It's filled up the pot quite nicely. And I really love the color that I chose against the back garden wall because it's quite striking. You know, your pinks and your reds at the back of the garden looks really nice. And when you now look across, as you can see, across the whole back of the garden, you can actually see the impact that those red and pink color has on there. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next